One of the biggest questions for any GIS analyst is, where can I find data for my country or my area? And there are loads of places online, but one of the best, or probably the best list of these sources is Robin Wilson's free GIS data page. But what's really important and really great is that Robin's put a big warning on his page. And I think this is really important for anyone using any kind of data, and particularly GIS data. These sources listed are generally really good, but anybody using data, you've just got to be aware it could be inaccurate, incomplete, or just plain wrong. So you need to, as a data user, very carefully check the data. Now, an example there might be if you're using country boundaries. There's many disputed boundaries across the world. So you can't just download a country data set without closely inspecting it and checking it and seeing if it's the version that you should be using based on your own perspective or official definitions of the areas you're mapping. So these are just really important things to keep in mind, and this is a great list. So many of the sources you might have come across already, like Natural Earth for global vector data, global elevation data, we've got SRTM here from NASA, we've got weather data, we've got hydrology, we've got snow and ice, natural disasters, land cover, ecology. It's really nicely categorized. You can find this stuff just by Googling, but the great thing about this is it's really well curated and well maintained, and I'm filming this video in June 2023, and we can see it was last updated only a month ago. So that's probably my first port of call. Robin's list has high quality data sources, but I think the warning is really important. Just keep in mind, you can't just download data and use it without checking it and looking at it.